Cochin Shipyard Limited successfully delivered the second anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft INS Malwan to the Indian Navy today. The handover ceremony featured the signing of the protocol by Dr. Harikrishnan S., Director Operations CSL, and Commander Praveen Kumar Tiwari, Commanding Officer Designate, INS Malwan. Midhani achieved record-breaking performance in fiscal year 2025 to 2026, reaching its highest ever sales of 1,206 crore rupees. Provisional and unaudited, a 12% year-on-year growth over the previous 1,074 crore rupees. This includes successful execution of export orders worth 85 crore rupees, provisional and unaudited. Airports Authority of India celebrated its 31st annual day, with Chairman Vipin Kumar congratulating employees and highlighting the organization's role in driving India's aviation growth. The authority secured an excellent rating, 93.21 score, under the MOU for FY 2024-25 with the Ministry of Civil Aviation, reflecting strong operational performance and service delivery. Defence PSU Bharat Electronics Limited (BEL) has reported a record provisional and unaudited turnover of 26,750 crore rupees for FY 2025-26, marking a 16.2% year-on-year growth from 23,024 crore rupees in the previous fiscal. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has announced the appointment of Burra Vamsi Rama Mohan as its new chairman and managing director effective April 1, 2026. Vamsi Rama Mohan has assumed charge with immediate effect and will serve as CMD until July 31, 2030, the date of his superannuation, or until further orders. EDCIL India Limited has signed memorandums of understanding with National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways to support recruitment through computer-based testing. Coal India Limited has reported robust coal allocation and pricing through the single window mode agnostic e-auction system for March 2026 and the full fiscal year 2025-26. CIL and its subsidiaries offered a total of 2,221.5 lakh tons of coal under SWMAE auctions. NHPC Limited has successfully initiated the wet commissioning of Unit 4, 250 megawatts, at the 2,000 megawatt Subansiri Lower Hydroelectric Project, marking a significant step in bringing India's largest hydroelectric project closer to full operation. SJVN Limited, a Navratna CPSE and joint venture of the Government of India and Government of Himachal Pradesh, has achieved remarkable operational milestones in energy generation during the financial year 2025-26, producing a total of 13,302 million units of electricity. Indian Oil Corporation Limited has announced its provisional operational performance highlights for the fiscal year 2025-26, reporting record achievements across multiple business segments. The company achieved the highest ever crude throughput of 75.4 million metric tons with an operational reliability of 99.5%.